How to understand Starbucks stores and ordering options. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Starbucks has many options. First one is Classic Cafe, the original iconic third place, a place to sit and stay or order ahead and get on your way as well. You can click on Find a Classic Cafe and search for it as well. You're home away from home. And another is drive-thru. Drive-thru, check out the menu and order from the comfort of your car. Prefer to order ahead, place your order on Starbucks app as well. And Starbucks delivery, enjoy the ultimate convenience when you have your Starbucks order delivered right to you using their partners DoorDash, Grubhub, and Uber Eats as well. And there are Starbucks and groceries, airports, hotels as well. And this is how to understand Starbucks stores and ordering options. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.